to Keiota Studio. In today's video, I am going to show you some hair products that I use on my natural hair while in quarantine to get this look. While in quarantine, I unfortunately won't be going to the hair salon.
I know some other people can relate to that.
So that means that I'm going to have to do my own hair all the time. But at the same time, I finally did my own hair and it feels great. I'm so glad that my hair is clean. My scalp feels so rejuvenated.
Let me tell you about my new hobby before I show you how it went from this to this. Right here, I am showing you my homemade seafood boil. I made this earlier today for my family and I to eat for lunch. It consists of mostly seafood and veggies. Have you tried the seafood boil yet? Let me know. Please comment below. To be honest, during the first month of quarantine, I gained 10 pounds. Then I lost 3 pounds. After that, I stopped looking at the scale. I have a pantry filled with snacks, a freezer with a couple different ice cream flavors, plus the fact that I got bored, so I started baking cookies and pies, which all equal to me gaining weight. One thing that this pandemic has taught me is that I no longer want to rely on grocery stores for all of my food needs due to the lack of stock on the store shelves. So now I have a healthy hobby. I am growing an indoor veggie garden. Therefore, you can look forward to me posting YouTube videos of my veggie garden soon. This is how my hair looked before using the Maine Choice Proceed with Caution products in my hair. I'm going to say this one time only about all of these products. They smell so good. They smell sweet and it's not overwhelming. I'm starting with the Stop the Damage Pre or Post Poo Mask. The consistency of this is a little slippery and it feels similar to lotion. I'm currently putting my hair into sections. It says this product is pH balanced to seal lasting moisture inside the cuticle. Chia seed oil strengthens, smooths, and repairs the strands. Rich in antioxidants to improve elasticity and boost shine. Intensely restores, moisturizes, and conditions. Gentle enough to use daily. Some ingredients are water, coconut, avocado, Japanese cherry, and chamomile. This hair mask is also infused with vitamins A, C, D, E, and it has biotin. The pre-poo mask directions are: before cleansing with proceed with caution, slippery when wet shampoo, massage gently into dry hair and distribute evenly, especially to the ends. Wait 5 minutes, then use fingers to gently loosen tangles. Cover with a plastic cap and leave in up to 15 to 20 minutes with heat and up to 1 hour without heat. Rinse with lukewarm water. There is no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no parabens in any of these hair products. I purchased a thermal conditioning cap from the dollar store. I'm going to use that on my head for about an hour, and then I will rinse the hair mask out of my hair. Slippery when wet shampoo. This shampoo consistency is slippery, thin, and loose. This hair product Gently cleanses and restores moisture, formulated to maintain pH balance, seals cuticle to lock in more moisture and shine. Chia seed oil helps maintain definition and strength. Japanese cherry oil smooths and balances the scalp. Antioxidant rich, promotes smooth, frizz-free curls, leaves the hair super light and bouncy, gentle enough to use daily. Basically, the same promises that the hair mask is supposed to bring. I'm sure the fact that it gives frizz-free, bouncy curls is the reason why they also call this line Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce. Some ingredients are water, chia seed, Japanese cherry, coconut, and lavender. The directions are: wet hair thoroughly with warm water. Squeeze a small amount into palm of hand and massage to scalp and hair. Rinse well with cool water. For best results, proceed with caution 4-way conditioner or stop the damaged mask. 4-way conditioner, co-wash, leave in, detangular, or rinse out. The consistency of this, I would say, is a little bit thinner than an average lotion. It says this is pH balanced to seal cuticle and enhance shine. Gently lift impurifications, soften and detangle. Japanese cherry oil improves elasticity to reduce breakage. Chia seed oil strengthens and helps to reduce moisture loss. Leaves hair soft, silky, and smooth. Provides protection from the elements. Hydrates and locks in moisture. Some ingredients are water, coconut oil, aloe vera, nettle, and lavender. Leave-in directions are: after shampooing with, proceed with caution. Slippery when wet shampoo. Distribute evenly throughout towel-dried hair, especially to the ends. Leave in hair. Detangle from ends to roots. These hair products worked well in my hair, and I am definitely going to repurchase these once these hair products run low. I hope that the Maine Choice never discontinues this line, or if it happens to be discontinued in the future, that they replace it with something very similar to this. I like it so much. I decided to do a twist out style on my hair. I had to let you all know about this recent comb that I purchased from Walmart. I am sure that this comb, along with these hair products from the Maine Choice, particularly this line, which is the Proceed with Caution line, made my hair so easy to detangle. This is by the brand Kiss. It is called the 3-in-1 Detangling Comb. It made detangling my hair an absolute breeze. It was so easy. The Maine Choice said that all 3 of these hair products are great for all hair types. I have a tightly coiled curl pattern, therefore my hair is type 4. It's also very soft and thick.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to Keiota Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet, and watch this video as many times as you want. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.